back to the channel. You can see I have one of these monster truck here, and I'm gonna try to take the windshield out, see if it fits this old one. These old drag buses are notorious for breaking the windshield, being that they hook here in the front, and that's where they flip. Now this thing has one of those triangle screws in there. I'm using a flat tip here. I've had luck in the past. I don't have one of those triangle screwdrivers. Maybe I should buy one. There it is. Okay. So you can see this is a different casting. Oh, we got rivets. So we got rivets here and here, holding the exhaust and also the windshield. So I don't think this is gonna work, but I told you. Let me get a better drill bit. Okay, let's try this one. Yep, I'm gonna have to break this. I don't want to keep searching for drill bits. Unlike a car, this doesn't have where to not pressing down the plastic. There you go. There it is. Now it is different. Oh, I want to see if it fits. So I'm gonna have to drill the hole here, and I'll be back. Check it out. So using my Dremel and a cutting disc, I cut a piece. I elongated the hole a little bit more towards the front. See, it hooks on that original rivet, and I got a glass. Look. The piece holds the casting. Now all I have to do is build a custom hook for here and the front on another episode. Thank you for watching. Right, just kidding. So once you get it in there, it's kind of difficult to get it out. I use my flat tip. Trying to get it to pop out. It still doesn't want to come out. It's gonna fight you. That's how good it fits. So you're not gonna need glue because that thing is not coming off. It's almost there. Almost there. There it is. Alright. So this thing here is hitting the top of the engine. It has to go. So I'm gonna cut it about here. Actually, I'm gonna cut it right on the line. Alright, so I ran out of batteries. You didn't see me cut the front part here, which is what I'm going to use for the hinge here. You see? I have to keep cutting. Piece of polystyrene. That's actually the shape in there. It's not straight all the way down. You have to cut these grooves. See? And now all I gotta do is glue that together. And I'll be back. Check it out. So I added a little bit more glue inside to reinforce. Okay. Press it down. Now you got a working hinge. So that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. So you got a windshield and a hinge. Peace out.